Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Verac Color Run 2025, a run for a cause. Let's make this day vibrant, energetic, and unforgettable. Enjoy the run, spread colors, and let's create positive change together.
I ain't tryna bring you down, but for real, you might as well give up now. Think you got a chance, but I don't see how. Got a real tight grip when I hold that crown. My life been good and bad and all around. The more things I lost, the more I found. One thing I taught myself to do, no matter the problem, refuse to lose. So
Yung run, since ang weather natin is maulan, medyo stressing pero nakaya naman. Nakakapagod pero nakakalma yung weather. Tapos nakakababa ng heartbeat, which is yun yung na-enjoy ko the most.
whoever owns the place gotta drag me out.
Ang hindi po ko, gabawag po ko ning 6 times a week. Kung di man po ako maka-hill reps, ga-partlick po ako. Di taman pa, paano kaya easy yung ruta pag mabuwag, minsan, igwan ning ahon. Minsan, puro man lusong. Kaya kaipuan talaga, combination, balance lang yung upper tsaka lower body.
You better run for your life. You were not prepared for the night. You better run for your life. You were not prepared for the night. Open up your eyes, see the light. You don't have a chance inside. You better run for your life. You were not prepared for the night. Won't you come and see what it's like? Living by the rules that you write. You ain't all those lavish delights. Now you had no back in sight. All the little lies you recite just makes all the savage unite. Usually I'm very polite, but I'ma get savage tonight. Even when the dog being nice, every single dog gonna bite.
We would like to thank all the partners na tumulong sa amin na maging successful ang event na ito. And of course, sa Gabus na runners na nag-support to make this event a success. And sa Red Cross, sa partner with us in making this event meaningful, not just a normal fun run for everyone. Again, thank you so much and God bless everyone and happy weekend.
Run for your life. Run for your life. Run for your life. Run for your life.